Click API extraction. Select the residential IPs you want. Determine the number of IPs and countries to be extracted. Choose the proxy protocol, data format, etc., depending on your needs. Generate API link. Copy the link and paste it into your browser to extract IPs. Copy the IP and open the Undetectable browser. Create profile. Fill in the profile name. Click Save. Set the proxy. Paste the IP you just copied. Check proxy. Click Save. Click Open. Enter the URL in the browser to see the current IP. This is the IP just extracted. It means the proxy is set successfully.